Hi friends, welcome back to my channel iQOO. In this video I'm going to talk about top 10 issues in the Realme X8 Max device after the update of Realme Ui 3.0, the stable update. Yes friends, just a couple of days back I did install a stable update in the Realme X8 Max device and I'm getting so many comments regarding this one topic. Can you please explain the issues, what's going on with the updates especially? So that's what this video is about. I did gather the information about top 10 issues which you might face in the Realme X8 Max device. You might face, I'm not saying that you'll be facing 100%, you might face these issues if you update to the Realme Ui 3.0 official update. This is not the beta one, this is the official update in this device. So let's start with the first thing, which is about the always on display functionality. So always on display functionality has been major concern after the Realme Ui 3.0 update. From the beta version itself, there has been a lot of problems going on with always on display. It's not functioning properly for some of the users and not only for a lot of other users. Yesterday I did upload the video as well regarding the always on display and I did get plenty of response. Like a lot of users, it's not working for them. After the stable update also, AOD is not working. You can clearly see so many comments I'm getting regarding this one topic. You can see always on display, it's not working at all. So this might be the another issue you might face in the Realme X8 Max device. This is the most commented issue on the Realme X8 Max regarding the Realme Ui 3.0 update. Still the problem did not get fixed after the update. And next thing to do something with the edge lighting effect. So edge lighting effect also may not be able to work in the Realme Ui 3.0. That's also feedback I did. So exactly, as you can see, always on display and the edge lighting effects are still not working after the stable update. So what should we do? What should we do next, please? So I cannot assist you friends. Maybe you need to wait for the next update only to fix this kind of issues. So I do have all the proof with me for every problem. For every problem I'm trying to show you the proof so you guys can actually understand that these are actually existing issues. So you might be aware of these issues before you update to the Realme Ui 3.0 in the Realme X8 Max device. And next thing, something to do with the Wi-Fi connection. So Wi-Fi connection in the 2.4 GHz I'm trying to talk about. In this 2.4 GHz, the transfer link speed has been decreased all of a sudden from 300 Mbps to 144 Mbps. I'm not sure why it has been decreased. I'm completely shocked to see, because usually with this update that should not be dealing with the transfer link speeds. For example, this is the same Realme X8 Max I'm trying to use, and which is running the Realme Ui 2.0, as you can see, same Realme X8 Max. In this device, the transfer link speed for the same Wi-Fi connection, right? Same Wi-Fi 2.4, you can see transfer link speed is 300 Mbps of speed, and transfer link speed in this device is 144 Mbps. So this may cause slightly slow in the internet speeds. So that's the reason I'm trying to mention you clearly before itself. Before you update, you should know all these things. Like I'm making you prepare what's happening, what's gonna happen. So in case if you don't have any issues, no problem at all. If you have the issues, at least you do know that something is wrong with the update, not with your phone. That's the main reason I thought of mentioning all these things. So you might see slightly kind of decrease in the Wi-Fi speeds because of this transfer link speed decreased. In the Realme Ui 2.0, the speed can go up to 90 Mbps. With the 300 Mbps of transfer link speed, it did went up to 87 and 90 Mbps. Now try to look at the phone with the 144 Mbps transfer link speed. What is the speed happening here? Same Wi-Fi connection, same position, same place, same location, everything is same, but Realme Ui 3.0 and 2.0. This is what happened. So which is not acceptable at all. I'm not sure why the Realme interfered with the Wi-Fi connection. That's completely strange. Like both phones, same Wi-Fi network, you did see 50% speed got decreased. So in my case, I did see this kind of huge decrease, friends. This is not acceptable, I would say. This is another problem you might be able to face after the update of this Realme Ui 3.0. So be aware of that. And next issue is regarding the Badlands mobile game that you won't be able to play at 90 FPS. Yes, the FPS is completely locked around 70 FPS. And some of the users who still play at 90 FPS are from the Realme Ui 2.0. Yes, some of the users like me. Like right now, I did not even update anything in my mobile phone. And this is a security patch update from the last year, 1 year old security patch update from March. You can clearly see. So I can get 90 FPS in this device, no issues at all in the Realme X8 Max. But you cannot get 90 FPS in this Realme X8 Max with the Realme Ui 3.0. So please keep that in mind as well. You will be able to play only at 70 FPS. like I do know like some people are okay with that, some users not okay with that, so it's up to you to decide, friends. I'm not gonna judge on this, I'm not gonna fight on this one, but anyway, it's up to you to decide. I won't play game in the Realme X and Max, so it doesn't bother me much, but because I do have other 90 fps mobile phones, but it's not the case for you, so you should take your own decision. But finally, this is an issue which is going. And next thing is about the 4D vibrations is also not working in the Realme Ui 3.0. So you cannot get 4D vibrations. There's no use at all regarding the 4D vibrations while playing Battlegrounds mobile game. In the games application, in this game application, there's an option which is called haptic feedback, 4D vibrations, but it's not working in the Battlegrounds mobile game. Still, they did not fix this kind of problem. And this is not a big issue, but still, I just want to mention to you all. And next thing is regarding the throttling. Throttling is happening very, very bad in this Realme Ui 3.0. I'd like to show you the screenshot which I taken. So after the update of the Realme Ui 3.0, this is a throttling is happening. So you might see slightly not that performed, as you can see. So pretty much throttling is very bad in the Realme X and Max device. Unfortunately, this is a thing which is going on at this moment. And next thing, something to do with the battery backup. Battery backup, I'm getting around 6 to 6.5 hours of screen on time as well in this device. That's also another thing. And the charging time is also another major concern, which takes about 50 to 55 minutes of time. So final thing is about the RAM management, also not that improved. Like RAM management, it's not that improved even after the stable update in the Realme X and Max device. And next thing is about the high refresh rate games you cannot play in the Realme. Yes, you cannot play even in the after the real stable update. Also, still the high refresh rate games problem did not get solved in the Realme X and Max device. Unfortunately, that's the very saddest part, friends. I'm not sure why the Realme is not giving, at least for this mini games, this very small game, right? This doesn't require any kind of much performance, and it won't even heat the phone as well if you try to play the game. But you'll just give the very good experience of utilizing these 120 Hz high refresh rate games while gaming. That's what I'm expecting, friends, from the Realme to give the at least this 120 FPS and 90 FPS support. So that's not the case at this moment. Exactly what's happening, you can clearly see this kind of animations will definitely look very smooth if the Realme gives the update, this kind of animations which looks fantastic. But unfortunately, the Realme is not giving at this moment. So 120 Hz you cannot play in this phone as well at this moment. That's kind of another drawback. That's it. These are my top 10 disadvantages, issues in the Realme X and Max device regarding the latest update of Realme Ui 3.0. So let me know in the comment section below, friends. In case if you miss any kind of problem or any kind of issue, let me know in the comments. I can definitely let others know as well what's going on in this update. So friends, the only one good advantage which I did like is two advantages. First is regarding the real-time FPS meter. You can actually get real-time FPS meter. That's very good advantage in the Realme Ui 3.0. Next advantage is something to do with the vibrations. Haptic feedback, right now it became very strong and very integrated into the system. Like when you're trying to increase and decrease the brightness, you can get haptic feedback very good. And not only that, even in the settings option also, when you try to scroll down up and down, you can get haptic feedback. Even in the camera application also, you can get haptic feedback. Like it's got very strong integration into the haptic feedback. I did like this kind of haptic feedback improvement overall. So apart from that, I did not see any kind of major changes in this Realme Ui 3.0. Meanwhile, signing off, friends, these are my top 10 issues in the Realme X and Max device. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.